Hello everyone, so today we are back with another informative video, and this time we will let you know why your Google ads are not generating the leads that you are looking for. There are various reasons for you to not generating the leads. The main reason for these kind of things can be is that whether your campaigns are set up using the best PPC practices or not. Sometimes the client, they just set up the campaigns on their own. They do a lot of mistakes and they just don't set up the campaigns using the best PPC practices. So when I say that, what I mean is, suppose that the quality of the clicks that you are getting, they are on the lower side. You are getting a very high number of clicks and spending good money on Google ads. But when you are doing some kind of service, for example, you are doing the dentist ads, and when we see the search terms, you are getting a lot of search terms with your competitor's brand name in it. So for these kind of search terms, you are expecting to get the leads. On top of it, you are expecting to get the quality leads. So now these type of things don't happen that much, because we need to make sure that we are at least getting the quality clicks from the campaign, and we are paying the lowest possible CPC so that we can get the maximum number of clicks within our same spend. We now will go like step by step on what are all the best practices that you need to follow so that you can get the leads. First of all, we definitely need to make sure that we are only using the keyword that are relevant to what we offer. Also, we need to use the high intent based keyword rather than the keyword with the search volume. For example, we don't really need to target the keyword like dentist, because the visitor, we don't know whether they are doing some kind of research or they wanted to go to the dentist to get the services that they offer. We need to use the keyword like dentist near me, dental implant cost, dental implant pricing. That way we can at least see that the visitor, they are looking for the cost and pricing, means that they are looking to avail the service that our dentist may be offering. So when we use the highly relevant and high intent based keyword, then only we will be able to see the leads. Second thing is that the most important thing is to make sure that we are using the best keyword match type so that you can get the quality clicks coming in rather than just the clicks. By just controlling the match type of the keyword, we should be able to improve the quality of the search term. Once the quality of the search term goes up, you should be able to see the leads automatically. The other challenge that you normally face is the cost per click. We have to work on the cost per click so that we don't overpay Google, because we don't have unlimited budget for our campaigns. We have a very limited budget per month at start, so we don't want to waste the money for the lower quality clicks and the high CPC. There are various ways by using which that you can do. For example, you can start doing the ad extensions as much as possible. That way, for those ad extensions will greatly help us in improving the quality score. You can also start doing the call only ads. With the call only ads, you should be able to show the ads on the mobile phones. You should be able to see that the visitor, they will see the mobile button click and they can give you a call. That way you should be able to get a call directly, and the visitor don't need to go to the website and then they can get their questions answered right away. That way you should be able to see the leads coming in. The leads should be good quality, the clicks should be of really good quality, and the CPC should be on the lower side. So if you have any Google AdWords lead generation campaign running but you are just not getting the leads that you are looking for, you can contact us for the free audit. In the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. You can go to our WhatsApp number on the top right corner. and then we should be able to get back to you with the plan of action. Also, you can contact us through our website to get the plan to get some more leads for your business.